How to crossplay Powerwash Simulator. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, you're going to learn exactly how to crossplay in Powerwash Simulator, whether you're on a PC, Xbox, PlayStation, or even in the Nintendo Switch. If you want to team up with friends across platforms, this guide is for you. Step 1. Link your Square Enix account. First thing first, to enable crossplay, everyone needs to link a Square Enix member's account. Launch Powerwash Simulator and go to the main menu. There, you will see an option to sign in or create a Square Enix account. It only takes a minute. Just follow the prompts on the screen. Step 2. Add friends cross-platform. Once you're signed in, head to the Co-op menu and select Add a Friend. Type in your friend's Square Enix ID. Make sure they're signing in too. After adding, you will see them online and ready to join your session or receive invites. Step 3. Join or host a crossplay game. Now, you can either host a game or join a friend. Career mode supports two players, while free play allows up to 6. Make sure all players are in the main menu before sending invites. Once accepted, you will all be in the same game, no matter the platform. Quick tips and troubleshooting. If you're having trouble finding your friend, try restarting the game or resigning to your Square Enix account. Also, remember, cross-saved isn't supported, so your progress stays on your original platform. And that's it. That was the full tutorial on how to crossplay in Powerwash Simulator. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more tips like this. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.